Here we have Charles, Chucky Bulldog. It's the Chuckster. Say hi, Chuckster. Hello, Chucky. Chucky is gonna go experiment in a 3-foot snow boot drift. We are gonna go outside here, and it's just incredible snow. Okay, Chucky, let's go. Go, gotta get him, buddy. There we go. Chucky says, how do I get out? It's a snowfield. Here he goes. Go, Chucky, go. Go on, Chuck. Let's go. Get on out there. He slipped his leg right there. Chucky. Look at this. Oh, it's a little bit warmer. No, the sun's come up though. Oop, there he goes. He's bulldogging away. Oop. It's a bulldog, so if anybody's going to get through the snow, it's going to be the bulldog. Oh, he's making a move. He's bounding through the snow out there. Got a tree to pee on. It's the intrepid Chucky. He says, I'm gone. I don't care if it's snowing. He says, I have to go. Pooh. It's important. He's trying to check it all out. This is pretty, this is sad. It's just sad. He's trying to go poo in 3 feet of snow. Gotta get out. Come here, Chuck. Chuck. Good, Chucky. You gotta take care of business. You gotta pee and you gotta poo. And maybe there's 97 feet of snow, but you know, you still gotta do what you gotta do. Here he comes. Come on in, Chucker. There's the Chuckster. All right, What a good boy. His snow's higher than he is. Oop. There we go. There's a cat trying to go out. Where's a good boy, Tuggy? There's a good boy. You were probably not going anywhere. I'd suggest you come in. Okay, well, goldfish know when to stay indoors. So here we are. Okay, I'm going to shut her down.